Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video for you today that will show you how to set up Getresponse. Just before I do so, after you've watched the video, if you want to give Getresponse a go for any reason, there's a free trial version of it in the description down below. So if you give that link a click, that will take you through then to the software, which you can try for absolutely free. So it's very simple, not much of a tutorial really, just a bit of an overview on how to go about it. Once you're logged in, it'll ask you to kind of set up an account and register with some of your basic details. At the top right hand corner there, you can get to your profile and manage your account there. You can access your password and your email addresses, the landing page domains, and all the obvious kind of stuff for your account. So that would be how you set up that aspect of it. You've got your help kind of area in the top right hand corner, as well as your notifications and some of that kind of stuff, as well as some of the guides. And for those of you who are new to the platform, you could use that as well to kind of find out some more stuff about it. All of the elements or the tools that are associated with Getresponse then are available in the tools menu. You've obviously got a couple of quick actions here on the dashboard as well, and it'll give you some prompts and kind of things to do next. But almost everything that you're going to need to access is available here on this list. So you can just select any of these things, and it's fairly self-explanatory and fairly straightforward. The vast majority of things that you're going to want to do are email marketing and autoresponders. You've got the ability to build a web form as well. As an example, I'll take you through that very quickly. I've got one here. You can create a new one in the top right there. Give it just a new form that we'll go for. And then you'll see that it gives us access then to a library of templates that it's got available for us that you can use. If I refresh that, doesn't seem to want to load for us at the moment. So what you should see here is a bunch of templates which you can utilize for your fuck off, you cunt. Like so. And you'd find a template then which closest resembles what you're looking for and choose it. So say if we want like the look of this one, use that as a template, and then you'd modify it then to kind of include the things that you want and include the fields that you need. You can preview it on mobile view as well. That's a bit broken there with them. And then once you're happy with that form, then you can hit publish, and then that will give you that form. So it's very, you can embed that form then on your website or wherever, in an email or wherever you need it to go. You can see that it's very self-explanatory, very intuitive, and there's lots of other tutorials on the channel that will cover the specifics of Getresponse. So like I said at the beginning, you can give that link down below a click, and that'll take you through to a free trial version of the software. If you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below as well. And if you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.